Hi guys, welcome back to another one. Got the snowblower out. Gonna finish up, cleaning up a little bit here. We kind of got a low spot in the ground on the corner of the garage right here, right about where the snow pile sits actually. The yard sits higher than the driveway. Both sides here kind of sit higher, kind of got a low spot in here where the snow sits. And I'm gonna get the snowblower out and I'm gonna move it all to the other side of the yard there on the other side of the driveway. Get it in the yard so this doesn't turn into a giant sinkhole here. It's 40 degrees outside today, so it's good and warm and gonna get a lot of snow melt today, but figure I'd try to get this. And this is a big, wet, heavy snow now and partially frozen. Been sitting there for a while, so we'll see how the old snowblower does in that. Figure get a good footage of this here. I'll put it on I'll get a normal video of it and then I'll put it on time lapse or something, but just if anybody wants to see it all, you don't have to sit and watch a 20-minute video. So let me get set up here and I'll show you how she does. description of this video. The auger ratio, it went to 2.71 as opposed to 2.66 to 1. So the auger is not going to be going as fast, but it is going to have more power, which is what I think is helping me throw this snow like this. The drive ratio, though, I went to 2.85 to 1 as opposed to 3.5 to 1. So it is going to go a little bit faster. It's going to be a little faster. The gears are going to be a little faster than what they originally were. And you are going to lose some power there, but you don't really care about the power in the drive. You care more about power in the auger. So, but I'll put those in the description of this and maybe do a follow-up video later on after we get it all done and kind of go through step by step of what everything is and how it all sets up. Well, there you go. Had a little bit of troubles when I first started. Got into a couple frozen pieces there and broke through there, and it kind of plugged that up just one time. And after I got those chunks pulled out of there, then just fed it nice and slow. It ate it right up. I'm standing, when I first started here, I was throwing it to about right on the corner there where the edge of the driveway and the yard meet. You can kind of see it like right here. I was throwing it to right here, and then which is a good, I don't know, about 18-20 feet it was throwing it. And I said, and that was, I mean, this pile was 2.5-3 feet tall, so, and it was eating quite a bit at a time, but so it's pretty good. So if you only had a couple inches, it was throwing it a lot farther than that. But got it all cleaned up here. I mean, there's still some snow there, but that'll melt down and go in. But I just didn't want a lot of snow sitting here. That way it wouldn't be a big hole. We got a horse mat here, horse stall mat. It needs to go in the trailer, but we got to cut it down. Got one in there now, but got to cut this one down to fit in there so we can get them both in there, get the whole floor covered. But so it's laying here on the ground right now in that sinkhole. When it was before the snow, it kind of got real muddy over here after the rain and stuff, and so we just laid it down, or slid it over there. It actually laid right here, slid it over in the hole there, but to help so you wouldn't sink, and you step in it, you'd sink good 4 or 5 inches before it froze. But and I don't really want I don't want this to start sinking, take the garage down. So this summer we're gonna fill this in here. Depending on concrete prices, we're actually gonna lay about an 8-foot slab out in front of this garage all the way across. That way my concrete in the garage don't crack, so we have concrete against concrete, and have this one crack with the rock next to it, because if you're driving off a rock onto concrete, you'll start chipping that away and eating that away. And so I don't want to redo that garage floor ever, so want to put that concrete out here. We didn't do it when we poured the slab because I wanted to finish grading this. This wasn't graded out yet, and finish grading this. But I said, so we're going to probably bring concrete from the corner of the garage to, well, maybe even to the fuel barrel there, or maybe even move the fuel barrel and redo that and pour concrete there, so that's all sitting on concrete there too. But at least out in front of the garage here, and then be able to move rock into here and stuff. So I figured I'd get it out and show you guys. I had a lot of people watching those videos and of the engine swap, so I figured this would be a good test for it, and everybody could see how well it really does. So if you have a snowblower, instead of going to buy a Harbor Freight engine, think about getting one of these. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope to see you on the next one.